Hi and welcome to Sea Sparkles Corner. This big, huge box has a bed frame in it that we got from Amazon. What's the name of the bed?
Hold on, let me look. Well, it's just got a style designation on here, YCSTBTC002/003.
Well, I'll look at the name on Amazon.
Your guess is as good as mine.
I'll look at the name on Amazon. This is all the trash. These are bed frames.
I guess this is the hardware. That's what I'm looking for now, is the hardware.
And these are more parts. Okay. Sorry I missed the actual opening of the box.
Well, no need to apologize for that, considering that ain't the part that people really want. They want the putting this stuff together to make some sort of sense.
Well, we could have made fun of it like he was opening a present and everything, but that's okay. We're going to show you how David's going to assemble it one by one. This is the first part. Oh, by the way, it's a queen size bed frame. Okay, and this is first part. That's David opening it. And
because I knew this was going to be just utterly boring.
After he's got all the parts open.
I think the zip tie was put on wrong.
Yeah. After he's got all the parts together and assembled, we'll get to part 2 shortly. And
well, actually, part 2 is going to be the assembly part. This is just unpackaging this thing.
Okay. Stay tuned for part 2. And as always, the fun never ends in Sea Sparkles Corner.
Oh, great.
Feel free to share.
It's not with Papa today, I think. I'm going to figure that out.
To subscribe, as always, the fun never ends in Sea Sparkles Corner. Feel free to share. Feel free to subscribe.
More of that.
Hugs and kisses from my family. Cheers. Thanks for watching. Bye, everybody.